You know what one of the most overlooked investments is? It's investing in your family, investing in the people around you, your spouse, your significant other, your children. Family is so important, and I think it definitely gets overlooked as an investment because we're so quick to talk about stocks or real estate or businesses or entrepreneurship. But I'll tell you what, one of the best things that you could do to improve the quality of your life, to improve lowering your expenses, it's investing in family. I'll give you a quick example of kind of like what inspired this. You know, we're heading over to my sister-in-law's house today, and it just got me thinking about what our life was like when we first started having children. Our daughters are 11 and 9 now, and we got a girl going into middle school. Big stuff going on there. But when the girls were young and we were just starting out, daycare was an extremely expensive cost. You know, I'm sure it varies throughout parts of the country where y'all live, but for us, when we had two girls, pre-elementary school, right? This is daycare, right? This is before VPK, before kindergarten. We had 2 girls in daycare 5 days a week. I know there's, you know, sometimes like a Tuesday, Thursday, or like a Monday, Wednesday, Friday type deal. We had them in there all 5 days. But I'll tell you what saved us money. For our first daughter, we didn't even have to put her in daycare until she was 2. That's 2 years of either 2, 3, or 5 days a week of daycare that we did not have to spend the money on. And so if you are in a position where you are blessed to have good relationships with your family, or if you are living in a close proximity to your family, I highly encourage you to invest in those relationships around you, because in my one example of, you know, daycare costs, that's just one among many. I'll tell you another one. My mother-in-law, she's one of those amazing, awesome ladies that loves to go garage sailing. Not really my thing, but tell you what, I was a nice beneficiary of that, because when our girls were younger and they would find toys, wooden toys, you could bleach them and clean them off. It's no big deal. She finds toys at garage sales for $1, $2. You know what kids do with toys? They break them. You know what you could do to totally keep up with the Joneses and just erode your hard-earned money? It's going to places like Walmart or Target or wherever and just constantly paying full retail price for every single toy your child uses, and then it just breaks. Anyway, sorry to go on a quick rant there. I just wanted to say, if you have the opportunity to invest in your family, it's one of the most overlooked investments that you can make, and I would strongly encourage you to invest in that.